Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 11.4 question number 5. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. Let us find. Diameter of the base. Diameter of the base. Diameter of the base is equal to 140 centimeter. 140 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the base, radius of the base, therefore radius of the base is equal to 140 by 2, 140 by 2 centimeter, that is equal to 70 centimeter. If we convert it into meter, that is 70 by 100 meter. This is the radius of the base. And we know that volume of a cylinder, volume of a cylinder, volume of a cylinder, is equal to pi r square into h, pi r square into h. Here the volume is given as 1.54 meter cube. The 1.54 meter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. The value of pi is 22 by 7. A radius is given as 70 by 100. That is 70 pi r square 70 by 100 into 70 by r square into 70 by 100 into h. That means we have to find the value of height or h, right? Therefore, the height can be found out as by cross multiplying. There is 1.54 into this number 7 into 100 divided by this one 22 into 70 into 70, right? I'll find this zero will cut, right? 7 is 7, 7 is 7, right? Now again, this 0 will cut and this 0 will cut, right? Right? We'll find 1.54. That means we are getting 1.54 to 10 into 10 is 100. 100 and divided by 22 into 7. 22 into 7. If we multiply 1.54 with 100, then we are getting 154 by 22 into 7, right? If we divide it by 2, it's 202, 202. We divide this one, 2, 7 is 14, 2, 7 is 14, right? Again 11 1 is 11, 11 7 is 77, Again, 7 1 just 7. 7 1 just 7. This is 1 by 1. That is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, you can say that the height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Therefore, you can say the height of the cylinder, the height of the cylinder, the height of the cylinder, the height of the cylinder is 1 meter. And that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.